Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Do you want to know how to make brown rice in the Instant Pot? Let's do it. We're going to begin by turning the Instant Pot on pressure cook. We've set the Instant Pot at 22 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of chicken broth. It's organic, by the way. And 1 cup of brown rice. You can rinse it well or you don't have to, it's your preference. You want to make sure that you mix it around and all the rice is covered with liquid. Gonna put the lid on. Make sure it's on sealed and we're good to go. We'll let it do its thing and in 22 minutes we'll come back and do a quick release. Our rice has finished cooking, so now we are going to do a quick release. And if you're wondering what this little orange thing is, it's a little gadget that keeps the steam from going up on your cabinets. The little silver button is dropped down, so let's remove our lid and check on our rice. Look at that. And that's all there is to it. So easy. You don't need a rice cooker anymore, my friend. If you're wondering what I'm gonna do with this rice, be watching for another video coming up soon where I make stuffed bell peppers in the Instant Pot. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.